Hello everyone, welcome to RMoney, and in today's video, we will going to learn how to place a basket order using RMoney Tradion app. So before we begin, let's quickly understand what basket order is. So a basket order allows you to place multiple buy and sell orders together in a single click. Instead of placing orders one by one, you can group the multiple stocks or scripts into one basket and execute them simultaneously. So this feature is very helpful when you want to execute multiple trades at the same time and you are managing your portfolio rebalancing, and if you want to save time and avoid manual errors and you are trading multiple stocks during fast market conditions. All of this we can easily done by simply using basket order feature. So now let's place a basket order in Tradion app. Once the app open, go to the order window and tap on basket option and then select new basket, and here you have to give your basket a name for easy identification. Now you have to add scripts and stock as per your need. So for that you need to click on add script and search the stock name. Once you search the stock, open the order window, and here you can select the order type and now add it to your basket. So this is how your stock will be added successfully, and similarly you can add multiple stocks and derivative contracts into the same basket. So let's do that too. Once all the required stocks and scripts are added, swipe on execute and all the orders in the baskets will be executed in one go. That's it. So you can see that your basket order is now successfully executed. You can check the order status. If the order is filled, it would be appear in your position tab, or otherwise you can check that too in the pending order section. So this is how a basket order feature helps you to trade efficiently, especially when you're dealing with multiple orders at the same time. So I hope this video was helpful, and if you have any doubts or questions, feel free to drop them into the comments. Until then, happy trading. Bye bye.